Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook venison chops. Begin by carefully trimming any silver skin or tough connective tissue from your venison chops. This prevents curling and ensures tenderness. Next, marinate your chops for a minimum of 30 minutes or up to 4 hours using a simple mixture of olive oil, garlic, rosemary, and a splash of red wine. Allow the chops to rest at room temperature for about 20 minutes before cooking. This promotes even cooking. Pat your venison chops completely dry with paper towels. This crucial step ensures a beautiful, crispy crust forms during searing. Season them generously with kosher salt, freshly ground black pepper, and any additional herbs you enjoy, like thyme or sage. Heat a cast iron skillet over medium-high heat, adding 2 tablespoons of high smoke point oil, such as grapeseed or avocado, until it shimmers. Sear each side of the chops for 2 to 3 minutes, achieving a deep golden brown color and locking in those delicious juices. After searing, immediately transfer your venison chops to a preheated oven set to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. This allows them to cook through gently without burning the exterior. Insert a reliable meat thermometer into the thickest part of a chop, avoiding the bone, to accurately monitor its internal temperature. Cook until the thermometer registers between 130 and 135 degrees Fahrenheit for a perfect medium rare, typically taking an additional 4 to 8 minutes. Once your venison chops reach their target internal temperature, carefully remove them from the oven. Transfer them to a clean cutting board and tent them loosely with a piece of aluminum foil. This helps retain heat while allowing the magic of resting to occur. This vital resting period, lasting at least 5 to 7 minutes, allows the meat fibers to relax and reabsorb all those delicious juices. Skipping this step would result in dry, less flavorful chops.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.